get when immediately you made payment for a properties. So everyone must know that when you make payment for a property, if you don't get the legal documents to prove that truly you are the owner of that properties, there will be problem. 22 years of my life, I used to say it. I work in a law firm, international law firm. And during these years that I've worked in a law firm, I come to realize that if you go into anything, either you want to buy property, you want something that will involve two people together, maybe it can be even, no matter how close, might be even from your, well, within you and your husband, it might be maybe between two friends, it might be even among the family. Oh, this is my uncle, this is my brother, oh, this is my sister, oh, okay, we are twins. I'm just trying to explain like that, maybe even between husband and wife. Let me tell you, I'm going to I'm going to shoot another video for that. That's regarding husband and wife. But today, I want to deal with the legal documents you need to get when you purchase a property. A lot of people will say, you purchase a property, or maybe a property is given to you. There is something that you need to have to claim ownership. Either you are buying that property, you are yet to complete the payment, or you buy it on off plan. What does the off plan mean? Off plan means that you want to make payment for a document and you want to start paying bit by bit. That is one. So the one I'm saying now, no matter either way it comes, in as much either you are buying land or you are buying a house, after you have made your due diligence. Remember in my the last live video that I did, make sure to let us know that having knowledge of what you want to do is important, and I mentioned due diligence, and from that I mentioned this document I want to mention here. Some people might not even really take notice, and that is why I want to do this one as a title. That's the legal documents that you need to get when you buy a property, either you are buying a land or you are buying a house. So number one document you'll be given after you have done your due diligence and you've confirmed that this property is genuine. After your due diligence is genuine, yes, there's no encumbrances, there's no problem, the owner is genuine. Oh, I'm even buying from the estate, and estate is going to give me my land. Number one, you are going to get that is so common. We have some houses. To the glory of God, this is our house here in Lagos, Nigeria, and we have some houses around. Some people call me that I should help them to sell, and a land, and that place you can buy and build. And I asked them, okay, on this land, what exactly do you have on it? We have receipts. We have receipts, and you don't have any problem. Even if you help us to sell, you don't have any problem. What other thing? Okay, this land you want to sell, what other documents the owner give to you that you can prove and say and build your chest that, oh, this is my land? Say, it's receipt. So this brings me to one of the documents that people usually recognize, called receipt. Receipt is the first document that you get. Everybody know, even if you buy your house, even anything, and then you buy this, you buy that. Even in the supermarket, you want to buy something, of course you get receipt. So, and if you are buying land also, you get receipt. You are buying house, you get receipt after you make payments. But this comes to only the receipt. Does it now give me the full ownership of that property after getting your receipt and you are buying a property? Number two that you need to get is a contract of sale. Even if you are buying outright, you still have to get a contract of sale. Contract of sale, what does it entail? Contract of sale has so many things that you need to know. There are some things that some people did not know. They did not know. Contract of sale is a legal tender. Contract of sale is a legal tender that binds you and the seller. Either it is individual or a company that you buy, as a company that has parcel of land and they are selling bit by bit. So a contract of sale is a legally binding agreement. What exactly is in the contract of sale? What exactly? I'm trying to show you some example here. I'm trying to show you some example here. And that is why I have a copy of my client, but I don't want to show because of name. So I want just to show you one from just anybody's name. So if you look at this, the contract of sale will have your name. The contract of sale will have your name. We have the name of the person that wants to sell that land to you. It comprises the dates the deal transpire. It will show the measurements of the land. Either you are buying a plot, or you are buying an acre, or you are buying half plot, even if half plot, or you are buying a house. How many units are you buying? Is it apartment? Is it duplex? Is it bungalow? Is it semi-detached duplex? Is it terrace duplex or fully detached duplex? Oh, are you buying a penthouse or a mansionette? As the case may be, the contract of sale is a legal binding agreement that you need to request for. If you buy property and you are not giving that one first, especially when you are just after you have concluded and you have made payment, and especially when you've been given your receipt, immediately you are giving your receipt, then what will follow is contract of sale. You know why this contract of sale is so important? It's because you'll be able to know the terms and conditions. There are some clauses. Let me chip this in. A client of mine from US bought a land, and after payment of that land, she got receipt, and as usual, as the realtor, so if a client defaults to pay as at when due, the client is going to forfeit the initial deposits. When it comes to dealing, my client is number one. At Femichomes, our client is number one. We prioritize relationship of our clients than as many, no matter how important the company may be to us. So immediately I saw this, I just laughed. Me, with my experience working in the law firm. I just called my clients. She did not pick, Nigerian time is different from my client. She's in US, and I sent a voice note. I said, good afternoon, ma. I just read the contract of sale that was sent to you, please hold on, don't sign now. And she said, why? I should not sign. This is the contract. I said, don't sign. He said, why? I said, you remember, you're supposed to make another payment last 2 months, but you defaulted. Go and check contract of sale number so clause so. Let me know what was written there, and you will know why I said you should not sign it. So when she read it, say, those companies are 419. Oh, why should they do the contract of sale that we favor only them? They did not even think about the clients. So that's it. So you just saw it. Say yes. I said, in fact, I didn't even read it, but I just gave it to a friend who happened to be a lawyer. I said, I've read it, and I told you that you should not sign. So say, thank you so much. Oh, so I could have not lost 5 million like that. I said, don't worry. When are you going to pay? And she told me, I said, okay. Well, any problem, any challenges, and she explained them to me. And what I did as a professional, I sent email to the company, and I let them know that, further, because of the circumstances that's beyond the control of my client will not be able to make payment from now till so, and because my client changed country where she is, and I explained, and they said that was when they saw my email. That was when they now woke up and said, hey, your client should go and sign the contract of sale. I said, my client is not signing. So, and at the end of the day, that scenario, at the end of the day, I say, okay, if your client did not say, our agreement we have with your company is not valid until your client finishes the payment. I say, no problem. No problem. So it face them, because what the problem we have is that some people don't read, but because of in our company, to the glory of God, I'm the CEO. So with my experience, I read every document, even if it's form. I read all. There's one we call FAQ. I read all those frequently asked questions, and I will write them out, and I will ask my clients, can you see this one? Have you seen this one? Have you seen this one? Will you be able to maintain this? Will you be able to maintain this? You just say, no. Oh, okay, don't worry. It's okay, no problem. And that was how I saved my client for that 5 million. So that document is very important. Contract of sale is the one you need to get immediately. You get the receipt. Then what will follow is contract of sale. So if you make payment for any documents and you've collected the receipt, please ask for that contract of sale, because the types, the measurement of the land, the price you bought the land or house will be stated there, what they want to happen in that estate, the building, either you sign that you want to build a duplex, they will not be able to push you to where they say there's bungalow. That's everything you feel will reflect on that contract of sale. Are you going to pay any other charges, like statutory charges for your survey, for your perfection of your title, everything, anything at all the information will be stated inside contract of sale. The money you want to pay, how you are going to pay that money. Okay, you don't have to pay any money again. You are free. Everything will be stated there. So please, if you have a land or a property, please try to get contract of sale. You immediately get contract of sale, and please read it. If it involves you to engage a professional to help you to read it, please do so. Don't just put your signature A lot of people, they make mistake in the past. They put this. I don't allow my. I read every document. I don't allow my clients to just sign at all. I don't allow them to sign. You know, I told you 22 years I worked in a law firm. So all my friends, even most of my clients are lawyers. So they surround me like this. As a PA, we were sent for paralegal staff. So I go to court. I go and I make some submission with the court register. I go there to do commission, to do for affidavit and meet commissioner for oaths. So to tell you that experience is always a teacher. And those years that I was working, thinking that, oh, I'm just serving somebody, I didn't know that, you know, indirectly I'm doing myself good. So get your contract of sale, which is very important. When you want to, after you have made payments, you collect the receipts and contract of sale, because that's where it's going to be said. Either you are paying instrumentally or you have finished all your payment, it will be stated there. And after that, you will now get other documents, which I'm going to mention in my next video. So thank you so much for joining. Share this to help somebody today. Thank you. Stay with us. Till I see you again in my next live video. I am Ambassador Grace Michael, and I am the CEO of Femichomes. We at Femichomes, we are the award-winning real estate marketing company here in Lagos, Nigeria. So thank you so much.